marketing strategy that you can invest today. First one is going to be a brand strategy. Brand strategy, it is just knowing and planning your moves and having awareness about everything around you and how you're going to be doing certain things. Second one is going to be content marketing strategy. We have talked about this few episodes. Making content marketing and making a consistent content marketing and making a strategy specifically made for your audience. They know you because of your strategy and your schedule and the types and the moves that you are going to be making in your marketing strategy, specifically content marketing strategy. Our third one is making a backup or a crisis plan management. Since we have businesses, it can have good times and also it can have quite a horrible time. And when the time which is going to be horrible, we don't want to be out of place or we don't know what we're going to be doing. We make a managing plan for a crisis, but it should be quite details, step by step. When we are in a panic situation, we don't know what we are doing, so this is going to be like a manual for us to read through, and we're going to be thanking our past self. Our fourth one is, it is going to be social media analytics and monitoring your social media. Quite simple when you know what you're going to be doing and making a roadmap or a strategy. When we make a strategy, we know each step. It is what is a strategy. I'm going to say it is a roadmap. Some of us use Google Maps, so it shows you every details on where you're going to be going. So we are going to be doing the same thing for our social media marketing monitoring. That's number 4. Number 5, email list. We're going to be making a process and a lead situation for our email clients and audience. Make a process. It is more easier for us to look back on the things that we made the process on, and we can see the right ones and the unright ones. So we can figure out which one makes better sense with our type of audience. And this is also goes back to content marketing strategy on number 2. This always helps each other with these 5 marketing assets, so each one works with the other. It is not out of place or out of context. That's number 5. Make a list and a natural process for your audience and future clients or leads. That is our today's episode. It is 5 marketing assets that we can invest today. I'm your host, Maryam, and this is episode 22. I'm going to be seeing you in 23.